Ordering pizza.
Hi. I am hungry. Me too. Let's order a pizza. What pizza do you like? I like cheese pizza. What about you? I like vegetable pizza. What size should we order? A medium pizza, please. Great. Should we order juice too? Yes. I want orange juice. Okay. Let's place the order. Yum. I can't wait to eat.
Buying ice cream.
Hello. I want an ice cream.
What flavor do you like?
Chocolate. I like strawberry. One chocolate ice cream, please. And one strawberry ice cream, please.
Here are your ice creams.
Thank you. Let's enjoy our ice cream.
At the supermarket.
We need some groceries. Yes. Let's buy tomatoes. I also need milk and bread. Look. Fresh bananas. Let's take some bananas too. What else do we need? Eggs and juice. Great. We have everything.
Going to school.
Good morning, Laira. Good morning, Emma. Are you ready for school? Yes. I have my bag and books. What is your favorite subject? English. What about you? I like math. Let's go to school together.
At the park.
What a beautiful day. Yes. Let's play in the park. Do you like swings? Yes, I do. I like the slide. Let's play together. This is so much fun.
Visiting the zoo.
Look. A lion. Wow. It is big. My favorite animal is the elephant. I like monkeys. They are funny. Can you see the giraffe? Yes. It has a long neck. I love the zoo.
At the doctor's clinic.
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well.
What happened?
I have a headache.
Did you drink enough water?
No.
Drink water and take rest.
Birthday party.
Happy birthday, Laira. Thank you. I have a gift for you. Wow. I love gifts. Let's cut the cake. Yes.
Happy birthday!
At the library.
I love books. Me too. Which book do you want? A storybook about animals. I want a fairy tale book. Let's read together.
Buying fruits at the market.
Excuse me, how much are the apples?
They are 100 rupee per kilo.
I want 1 kilo of apples. I want some oranges too.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.